5 reasons to buy Tata Altroz. 1. 5-star safety rating from the global NCAP. 2. A most spacious car in the segment. 3. Good suspension and handling. 4th, premium interior. And 5th, a good mileage. Hello guys, my name is Tavan Dimote and welcome to my channel. आज मैं रिव्यू करने वाला हूँ अपनी टाटा अल्ट्रोज XM Plus का। आप देख सकते हैं ये मिडटाउन ग्रे है। उससे पहले मैं बता दूं कि अगर आप नई गाड़ी खरीदने का सोच रहे हैं बिटवीन 7 to 8 lakhs इन द हैचबैक सेगमेंट और द कॉम्पैक्ट SUV, आप मेरा पुराना वीडियो जाके देख सकते हैं। मैंने अभी तक टोटल 2 ही वीडियो अपलोड किए हैं, सो यू कैन ईजिली फाइंड इट आउट। और अगर आपको नहीं मिल रहा है तो मैं वो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा। let's begin. Let's talk about my car. So फ्रंट से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो ये जो आपको ब्लैक ग्लॉसी फिनिश ग्रिल दिख रही है, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा लुक दे रही है। इधर आपको टाटा का लोगो मिल जाता है। इधर जो ये आप हेडलैम्प्स देख रहे हैं लेफ्ट एंड राइट, इसमें दोनों में हेलोजन बल्ब आते हैं। इस पर्टिकुलर वेरिएंट में टाटा अल्ट्रोज XM Plus में आपको फॉग लैम्प नहीं मिलता। अगर आपको फॉग लैम्प चाहिए तो आप XT या उससे अबाउ XE या XE Plus वेरिएंट में जा सकते हो, या तो आप आफ्टर मार्केट भी लगवा सकते हो। अगर लेट्स कम टू द टायर सेक्शन, the best thing is about this model, we get the bigger tire, which is a 16-inch tire. We get it with the wheel cap, and the tire section is 195 by 55, which is just amazing for this model. And if we talk about the ORVM, we get the electrical auto foldable ORVM, which is amazing. When I lock the car, it folds automatically. I'll show you. And now let's come to the rear part first, then I'll go for the interiors. You can see this is how the rear look, and it looks really amazing. So here what we don't get is, in this Tata Altroz XM Plus, we don't get the wiper washer defogger, which we get in the XE and XE Plus, but in XM Plus we do not get. Here you can see that is a Tata logo. Here you can see the Altroz badging, and here you can see the camera, which you do not get in particular XM Plus. This I have fitted from the Tata Motors itself, and I have paid the 5,000 extra. I'll show you how it works. And here you get the 2 parking sensor, and which really works nice. And here you get the reflector for the night drive, which is a very safe. And you can see the rear look, it is looking just amazing. Now let's come to the rear part of sitting. नॉर्मल गाड़ियों में इधर से हैंडल होता है, तुम गाड़ी ओपन कर सकते हो, बट विद अल्ट्रोज एनी ऑफ द कार यू कैन जस्ट पुश इट लाइक दिस एंड यू कैन ओपन द डोर. द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट दिस, यू कैन ओपन द डोर फॉर द 90 डिग्री. दैट्स फॉर द टाटा अल्ट्रोज इजी. नॉर्मल कार के डोर्स इधर तक ओपन होते हैं, बट फॉर द टाटा अल्ट्रोज इट ओपन्स ऑल द 90 डिग्रीज. एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द सीट. सीट की आप जो कंडीशन देख रहे हैं, फैब्रिक सीट एंड काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल है. इसमें एक चीज़ हो सकती थी जो हमने एक्सपीरियंस किया है, ये पार्ट अगर थोड़ा ऊपर होता तो लॉन्ग जर्नी के लिए पीछे जो भी बैठ रहे हैं वो ज़्यादा बेटर होता. बट ओवरऑल सीट इज़ अ वेरी कंफर्ट. एंड वन थिंग आई कैन टेल यू, बिकॉज आई हैव ड्रिवन दिस कार विथ माई फैमिली, 3 people can sit easily in this. You can see, and the best part is in the middle also the person can sit easily, because Altroz gives the flat floor. You can see the flat flooring Altroz gives. With the door, if we'll talk about, we get the power window in the XM Plus, and here you get the bottle holder. You can definitely keep it. And here I bought the mat from the outside, and here in this particular variant we do not get the armrest. If you want the armrest, you need to go for the XE or XE Plus, where you get the armrest, and we do not even get the rear AC here. If you go for the XT or above variant, you will get the rear AC placed here, but here in this particular model we do not get. You can see here, this is kind of a mobile holder. If someone is sitting in the rear part, they can keep their mobile here. Now let's talk about the front part. Let me come. This is how the front door looks. You get the power window for the left door. Here you get the AC wings. Here you get the glove box. Okay, and the seating arrangement definitely it's the fiber and it is very comfortable. Here आप सीट आगे या पीछे कर सकते हो, but height adjustment इसमें नहीं मिलेगा. सबसे पहले मैं आपको की बताना चाहता हूँ. इसमें आपको ये की मिल जाती है टाटा अल्ट्रोज XM प्लस में, जिसमें आपको अनलॉक का ऑप्शन, लॉक का ऑप्शन और फॉलो मी हेडलैम्प का ऑप्शन मिलता है. फॉलो मी हेडलैम्प का ऑप्शन होता है कि अगर आपने किसी क्राउडेड एरिया में गाड़ी पार्क की है और आपको पता नहीं है कि आपने कहाँ पार्क किया, भूल चुके हो, तो आप ये बटन ऑन करके रख सकते हो और आपकी फॉलो मी लैम्प ऑन हो जाएगा. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द इंटीरियर. सो the interior, if we'll talk about, so this side we get the access for the auto foldable ORVM. Here we get the power window as well. You can lock the complete car. It's like a central locking from here, and automatically see all door will be locked. And now let me talk about the steering. The steering, here you get the Tata logo, okay, and here you get the multimedia control. So the multimedia control here you get for the music, and you can answer the call and you can disconnect the call as well. Here is the instrumental cluster for the Tata Altroz. You get the RPM and the speedometer, and we get the 7 touchscreen inch the infotainment system, which is of the Harman, and it gives you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and it works really smooth. You can see, and I do not have any problem with this particular Harman system. And you get only 2 speakers in the front. You do not get the speaker in the rear. If you want, you can get that fixed from the aftermarket. In this particular variant, you get the manual AC. Okay, so the manual AC you get here. Here you get the USB port, and here you get the 12-volt charging socket. If you go for the any variant, even the base model, you get the 2 driving mode, which is a city mode and economy mode. So if
economy drive mode activated.
So if you're driving on the highway, and that really works, I have tried. You just change it to the economy mode, and it will give you a really good mileage, definitely. So you should try that. This is, I think, 345 liters enough boot space which we required for the family. I think that is sufficient. The one more feature which I wanted to talk about is, if any of your car door is open and you just try to lock the car, it will beep. Let me show you. So let me show you. This car door is not completely closed. I have just kept it like that. Now I try to lock my car. You get the horn sound. So when you hear the horn, that means the car is not completely locked. One of the door is open, so that's a very good sign. So once I'll complete this, let me close this, and now if I lock it, I could not hear any horn sound. That means the car is completely locked, or 4 doors are locked. So if you want to know more things about the Altroz, then you can definitely comment below. I will come up with a new video if you need to know anything. And also one thing I want to talk about, Altroz gives 165 mm ground clearance. I know it is a less, the people keep saying that, but I would tell that it is sufficient. I stay in a Bangalore, like the city where you get a more traffic. The Altroz is a perfect car for the city. Let me talk about my experience. I have driven this car for almost more than 20 days, and I did feel like that the 165 mm, the ground clear is less. It is sufficient, and it depends on your driving skill as well. Also, if I'll talk about my driving experience for the Altroz, when I used to watch the previous videos where people used to complain that they don't have enough power to drive this car, I would say I think Altroz has improved. I think this is an October 2021 manufactured model, so it gives enough power, definitely. And I can tell you one thing, you can say the minus point, but you can neglect it. In the second gear, you do feel a lag. While driving the car in a second gear, you do feel a lag, but you can neglect it. That's absolutely fine. But for the family, it is our best car, because you know, the engine wise, it gives a 1.2 liter Revotrain engine with a 3-cylinder. If overall the performance I would talk about, then I will say in the 3rd and 4th gear, My Altroz drives amazingly. It is very smooth, and I have driven on the highway, and it is so good that I have driven at the speed of 120 and I even did not feel that. I thought that I'm still driving on 80, but my speed was 120. So you can see the suspension and handling of this car is just amazing. So you should definitely go for this car if you are planning to buy a car between 7 to 8 lakhs. If you're planning to buy a new car, go try each and every car, because you're not spending less money, you're spending more money. Do not hurry, try and go. Take a test drive of every car which you think of, and then take a final decision. That's it for today. I'm signing off. My name is Tavan Dumote. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.